looking for the spotlight. Better yet, let's push up to the spotlight. We all up in the limelight. Cause see, clubs in Cali rarely go down all night. Parties in Cali never jump off white, right? Nah, this ain't a party town. They come to shut it down, make noise, parking lot pimp. I got Lil Mama with me, I'm strolling with a limp. She fresh from the first king, fat with the tips. Enough yak to make sure everyone sips. It's about to get serious. I'm seeing more ears on the dance floor. They already know what this is. Hey, a quarter to two, we out this bitch. But first pour a couple of them out this fifth. First roll a couple of them out this eighth. Pass one to the face, then Cali boy. Hang just a little more, bang just a little more. With the business ain't a problem, lil homie, let them know. Hang just a little more, bang just a little more. Shake it up, lil mama, go ahead, let it go.